All right. So for the plan for the day, I want to quickly show you guys something, right? Remember I told you my plan for the day and refer to my last video. Go to my channel and you see the last video. So I told you that I expected the price to come down to this point. I placed a buy limit here. I put my stop loss under this place. It almost triggered my, but it didn't trigger it. I was not close to my screen to be able to see that. So it went without me. You can see the buy limit. It went without me, and now it has entered the place now. If this one had entered, this would have been my first trade. If this one had entered, this would have been my first trade. And as soon as it entered this place now, um, I would have taken it out, and then this is my second trade. So I've entered the second trade now. So I've entered the first trade now, which was was supposed to be my second trade, but I missed this particular trade by just an hair's breadth. It didn't take it. This buy limit, it didn't take it. So this second trade now, I've entered it with my stop loss above it. So let's say I goes. Don't forget, my trade is a trade. So your risk is 7%. Mine now, yeah, sorry, $7 is what you're risking. $7 is what you're risking. So for me now, because you have $50 account, so me now I can risk more because I have $200 account, so I can risk 4 times that. But I'm not risking 4 times that. I'm risking, how much am I risking? I'm risking this particular trade. I'm risking $9, and this particular one I'm risking $13. So total is $21. $21, which is like 3 times yours, right? 3 times yours is $50, 150, but this account is a $200 account. That's why I can do that. So if it goes against me, I'll lose $21, and this is the point. It could do anything. I've accepted it. I've accepted that loss. If it happens, I will not do anything. You can see this particular one that left me. It's painful, but I didn't feel the pain. Why? Because, well, I think you should be more interested in the fact that you called the market right, even though you missed it by a little, but you called it right. Sometimes you're just okay. Next time I'll put it a little higher than this. But let me close that one that is down now because I don't trust that one to happen anymore. Even if it happens, but no, not today anymore. So now the only chance that I have now is for this one to now do what I asked. Even this is a yeah. This trade is very risky. Yeah, it's very risky because of the momentum that it used to go all the way up. Normally, I would have waited for another 1 hour to form red, or I mean, they said choose your poison, right? You choose your poison. So no risk, no reward. $21 is my risk for this trade. My target now is $60, $65, which is 3x whatever I am risking. Don't forget. So let's this trade and let's see how it goes. I'll come back. And if it takes me out, I'll come and tell you that it took me out. So there's no need for us to feel like market must always go our way, right? So, but always make sure that you are protecting your capital. All right. Cheers.